Ladies and gentlemen, traders, more importantly, MMU Gold members, today is the day you've been waiting on. Today is the day we select the lucky winner. Marcelo, do the honors.
I can't watch.
Who's it gonna be? And the winner is.
Oh!
Oh my gosh, Will. Will, you are the lucky winner.
Wait,
Oh my goodness.
who's Will You? You know him?
I believe he's in Discord, no?
I don't think so. Will You? Well, anyways, congratulations, my man. You just won a free trip to Las Vegas and also a free ticket to come join us to Traders for a Cause. Um, Sorry, I have no idea who you are, but thanks for being an MU member. And it looks like you're coming to Las Vegas, and I'm very happy and looking forward to meet you in real life.
Yeah, this is absolutely crazy, man. So this upcoming November, we're gonna shoot you an email. We're gonna cross-check and check you out in the MMU backend. We're gonna shoot you an email. We're gonna communicate with you, and we're gonna talk logistics. Hopefully you're free and available. I know some of you guys do have some responsibilities, whether it's family or the career, the day job, but hopefully you are free, and hopefully we can get this done. Stay tuned and watch out for that email, man. This is gonna be absolutely crazy.
Yeah, I really hope you can come. After this video, we're gonna double check in the chat room and check your email and send you all the information needed. And I guess at the beginning of the video, we should have given a little bit of context, but what's essentially happening here is that we're spinning the wheel because for the last month and a half, we have been running this promotion, which gives you 40% off for our day trading program when utilizing coupon code Vegas. And if you decided to go with MMU Gold, our top tier membership, you were instantly entered to win a raffle for a free trip to Las Vegas and also a free ticket to Traders for a Cause. Just Google Traders for a Cause. It's an event that happens yearly in Las Vegas. It's a seminar with a lot of big traders, Relentless traders, Mighty Stocks, Humble traders, S&P Capital traders, just a lot of people gathering together, network, trade together, and grow as traders. And everything is for charity. All the money raised is for charity. Um, so, by the way,
Yep.
Coupon Code Vegas expiring tonight because essentially the promotion is done. The We spun the wheel and we have a winner. Man, I,
Yeah, I mean, pretty crazy stuff. And for those of you who might see multiple names, we
oh
did
yeah,
have on the flyer, if you sent in a short clip of your favorite pattern here in the classes, that your name will be entered a few times. And so I actually thought, one of the people who sent in a video would win, but that's not the case here today. So, man, this is just absolutely crazy. I'm so excited
yep.
for Vegas. Marcelo, we're gonna have a great time.
No,
I
no,
mean,
no,
I
no, no,
just
no, no,
can't
no,
wait.
no, ahorita. People are trying to bother me while we're in video. Are you crazy? But anyways, let's just keep it short and sweet. There's no reason why to make this video super long. We're just announcing the winner. And everybody else, sorry if you didn't win. I still hope that you do find a lot of value in your membership. Thanks for participating, and best believe we're going to continue to do this type of things very often. So will you check your email, check your Discord, or wherever you are, whoever you are, you're coming to Las Vegas.
Shout out, man. Big congrats.
Subscribe, leave a like, and we catch you guys on the next one. Peace.